Hi guys, we are back for another video and another topic. I hope we are all doing well. Let's get into it. Okay, so we have today, I'm going to talk about, as you can see, the title is direct and indirect variation. Is one of those topics that I enjoy teaching, and I hope we are going to have a good time as usual. Okay, so I'm going to explain basically what is the meaning of a direct variation and indirect. So when we talk about direct variation, I can even call it as direct, okay, sorry for the camera, direct relationship between two variables. Okay, so I'm going to use, for example, the amount paid. Okay, amount paid at work, let me call it A, the variable A. Okay, A, amount or salary, let me say salary. Okay, thank you guys will understand. And then let me say P. Okay, this is the price or the amount paid per, let me say, per hour. Okay, or let me say per 5 hours. Okay, so you can see that between these two relationships, your salary and the price, or let me say this, what you are paid per 5 hours, it is an increasing relationship. Let me say direct. When I mean direct, is as one increases, the other one too increases, and one decreases, the other one also decreases. So it is direct. Okay, so for example, if the price paid for per 5 hours, okay, you are paid, let me say, $30. Okay, so you are paid $30 for every 5 hours. Your salary, someone can ask you, okay, in when you work, like, let me say, 15 hours, how much will you be paid? So you can see that if you were working 5 hours, $30 were paid. So 15 hours, you expect more. So this is what we call direct variation. So for 15 hours, okay, your amount will now become what? 30 times 15. Okay, which is it's I think 455. I think so. So 30 times 15. Okay, yeah, 455. So what you expect, sorry for the camera, I'm trying to get used to it. Okay, so it's a new one actually. I think you can all see that is different and it's clearer. Anyhow, so this is what I'm talking about. So you realize that there is a direct relationship between the amount and the price, or let me say, your salary per 5 hours. So when you, as soon as you identify that, this is what you write. The relationship between the variable will now become A, K, P. K here is the constant of proportionality, which is by how much P increases. And then in this question, you can see that K here is 30. Okay, you can see that. Okay, so this is what we call direct variation. Okay, now I'm going to explain about the indirect. Okay, indirect variation. Okay, so indirect variation, I think you can guess that is quite different. What I mean is that when one increases, okay, the other one decreases. So when you read the question, you realize that no, as one increase, the other one decrease. And I can use the question as the speed. Okay, speed and time. When you have a question that way, speed and time, you realize that as your speed increases, your time decreases. So for example, if you take 7 hours to go somewhere, okay, somewhere, and then your speed is, let me say, 30 kilometers per hour. When your speed increases, you will not spend 7 hours again to go there. You will spend lesser amount. Okay, so when you realize this type of relationship in a question, what you do, you write this: S is equal to K over T. So you need to find a constant of proportionality based to the information given to you. But then what it means is that as T increases, S decreases. And as T decreases, S increases. So this is basically direct and indirect variation. In my next video, I'm going to check if I can see two different questions under that. And then in the third one, okay, the next video after the next one, what my basic focus is to teach you combine direct and indirect variation. It's quite interesting. I had the opportunity to learn about that not long ago, and I want to share it for all those people having such questions and difficulties into understanding. So guys, let's see in the next video for the next question. Bye.